Russian aggression on Ukraine is continuing, with relative success for the Russian army on the south of the country, and with slow and almost non-existing progress in the north, where the capital Kiev lies. It seems that the Russian army is entering in some parts of Mariupol, and the mayor of the city is saying that there are thousands of dead bodies on the streets. I will not say if, but when the Russian army managed to take control of the city, then the Ukrainian defenders, which are facing rebels region of Lugansk and Donetsk, will be in very bad position, and they can be encircled by Russian forces from the north and south. Now let's see the latest videos provided by Ukrainian Ministry of Defense, which are showing the devastating effect of Ukrainian anti-tank weapons and Turkish Bayraktar drones. Here is destroyed Russian armored column, probably by US Javelins or some other anti-tank weapons. On this video with very bad viewing angle we can still clearly see attack on Russian armor, which is destroyed in very effective manner. Here is a Turkish Bayraktar drone which is destroying some Russian rocket system. This is interesting and rare video because we can see Bayraktar attack on moving target. This is how Ukrainian soldiers are seizing Russian tanks after taking down their convoy. Here the Ukrainians are salvaging Russian armor. And some videos of burned Russian vehicles.
Отак от буває, коли приходиш на українську землю. Отак от буває.
At the end, the latest report on Russian casualties, provided by Ukrainian side. 12,000 soldiers, 335 tanks, 1105 armored carriers, 123 artillery pieces, 56 multi-rocket launchers, 29 air defense systems, 49 jets, 81 chopper, 526 trucks, 3 boats, 60 fuel trucks and 7 drones. Indeed, this sure is an equal to and destroyed army of some middle country. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.